Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Tekesan and I'm Yogesh. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the monitor base to a monitor. This is an LG model, and so let's get started. And I'm also going to show you how to remove this because there are no videos to show that how to remove this. So let's get started. First you have to plug this in like this, just simple. And after plugging that, you have to install this monitor base. You have to lift this monitor and just pull it like this, and you have to tighten this screw from the bottom using a coin or something like that. And if you want to remove this one, you have to unscrew this and remove this one, and you have to remove this one. Just watch it carefully guys. Here you have to use both the hands and you have to pull it out. Okay guys, I think you have liked this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. This is Tekesan and I'm Yogesh signing off. Thank you.